Hey guys, so for this next step, we're going to make sure that your second semester classes have all of your sections cross-listed. So you're going to go to your unpublished second semester class, keep it unpublished. You're going to scroll all the way down and find your settings. So go to the settings and go to the sections tab. That's where you're going to find all of your sections. As you can see, Julie has all of her sections cross-listed. She is a co-taught class, so she has .0 and .9. If you're gifted, you're going to have your .0 and .2s, and if you're gen ed, it's just your .0s. So make sure you have all of those sections that you have listed in Infinite Campus. And remember, third grade gifted in ELA and math, you have those second graders who come to you. So make sure that you also have those primary courses cross-listed within this big course, so you're not missing that. And so for this next part, we're going to make sure that you also have the dates and times listed. So if you click on one of your sections, you're going to see runs from January 5th, 2022 to May 19th, 2022. This is third period, so it's 10:15 a.m. to 11 a.m. So those are the correct dates and times. So you're good. And so you're just going to go back and check all of your dates and times for your sections. And if you have trouble or you see one's not right, just let me know in the K5 op survey and we'll get it fixed for you real quick.